Jordan went to GameStop in the rain during coronavirus and don't wear face mask/grounded. Enjoy! Create by Herobrine channel.
Have you? I hope so. I will go more of coronavirus. Thanks for watching.
Back to Jordan. Jordan, you will never play my games, not anymore. You will pay. I do it on my mind. Wah! I going to GameStop and buy PlayStation 5. Jordan, I know, because coronavirus. I'm going. Wah! I'm going to steal it.
Jordan? Jordan, I wear a face mask, and you better come home.
I will not.
Then, I will drag your hair to electric chair.
Alright. I will go home.
Jordan, now go play with Pro.
Wah! Jordan, I told you not to go. Jordan, do not go nowhere until you will get sick. You're staying home because you're grounded. Wah! Wah! That was my worst thing I have ever done for my life.
Guys, it's me, Herobrine. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. I work very hard. See ya.